On YouTube, I just got this today. It's the Samsung Z Fold 5G. Normally I do a lot of Apple product unboxings on this channel, but this time I decided to change it up and do a different type of unboxing. I haven't done a product that's not Apple for a long time. So without further ado, we'll get right into the unboxing. So once again, the Z Fold 5G by Samsung. The side here says Samsung. The top says nothing on it. The side says the Samsung Z Fold 5G. And the bottom with some regulatory info. The back of it has some print on it that indicates what's in the box. Let's just go ahead and open it up. I'll turn it this way, make it easier for you guys to see. So we'll take the box, put it to the side. And right at the beginning is the fold itself, just a little pull tab here with an arrow telling you to lift it up. So we'll do that. Carefully take it out and put it to the side temporarily just to see what else is in the box, of course. Right in the middle, there's a pamphlet that says Samsung. And when we open it up, there is our USB-C to USB-C type cable in that little packet. I believe there are documentations. There are, of course. This is how to install your nano SIM and things like that in case it's your first time ever using a smartphone. You're not too sure how to do it. They provide instructions. There's nothing else in the inside of that box. On the back side, there is a SIM eject tool to help you take out the SIM card. And that's it for the box. That was a really fast unboxing. I wasn't expecting to go that quickly, tell you the truth. And let's bring the device back in. So there it is. There's the front, of course. The back of it with its triple camera system. And obviously on the front, there's the dual screen, which will fold. Now let's go ahead and take off protective film all around it. It will never be this clean ever again. There we go. And that is it. I'm gonna fold it for the first time. Feels nice. Feels quite nice. And we'll give it a quick boot up. And let's see if it's going to boot as it should. There we go, Samsung. And it says it also on the front too while it's booting up. Powered by Android, of course. This feels really, really nice. I will have to go get a case for it. I probably should have gotten a case at the time of purchase, but it's quite alright. And starting Android, welcome. Now, if you don't want it on the little screen or the main screen, you can do it on the big screen also, where it will walk you through the steps. And that is it for the unboxing. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.